1. So chapter 1 kita akan belajar tentang function. So what is function? Function are graphical representation and notation where each object in the domain has only one image. So fungsi ni dia boleh diwakili dalam pelbagai rupa. Antaranya gambar rajah anak panah, pasangan titik, graf dan juga bentuk jadual. Lepas tu, fungsi ni kita ada tata tanda ataupun kita kata perwakilan grafik fungsi. So, cara tulis dia, kita buat fx equals to 2x for example. So, this is we call as function notation. And selain tu, we can use VLT or vertical line test to determine whether a graph is a function or not. So, cara dia, kita pergi dekat graph, kita buat satu garisan titik-titik secara menegak. And if we find out that there is two value of y for each value of x, maksudnya the graph is not a function. Sebab graph hanya boleh berfungsi sekiranya ada satu nilai y je pada setiap nilai x. Contoh yang ni adalah satu graf yang tidak berfungsi. Dan selepas tu, dekat dalam tajuk ni, kita akan banyak jumpa satu simbol macam ni, yang garis-garis ni. This is we call as modulus. So, apa-apa yang berada pada dalam modulus, dia akan jadi positive value. Contohnya dekat sini, modulus 5 equals to 5. Memang dah positif kan? Tapi let's say lah, dekat dalam modulus tu is negative value, negative number. So, modulus negative 5, we change to be 5. So, kalau kata kita nak form a graph yang ada modulus, dia automatik yang graph tu, dia akan jadi bentuk V. Sebab semua benda akan jadi nilai positif. So, itulah sedikit sebanyak tentang function. Today we will try to solve a question that related to graph of absolute function. So let's see the question. It says draw on graph paper the graph of y equals to modulus 5 minus 3x plus 2. Dia bagi x ni between 0 and 4. And then find the range of value of x for which y is less or equals to 4 and y is less or equals to 3. So to make the graph, kita kena cari nilai of y when x is equal to 0 and x is equals to 4. Kenapa kena cari untuk dua ni je? Sebab untuk graph ni, kita tak tahu nilai x yang lain ialah berapa. Kita hanya tahu 0 dan juga 4. So, kita cari dulu 0 dan juga 4. So, apa yang kita perlu buat, kan dekat soalan dia ada kasih equation tu kan. So, kita replace x pada equation tu dengan nilai kita. So, dia akan jadi modulus 5 minus 3 times 0 plus 2 equals to y. So, modulus 5 plus 2 equals to y. So, 7 is equals to y. So, when x is equal to 0, the value of y is 7. Sama juga dengan 4. Apa kita perlu buat, kita replace x ni with 4. So, modulus 5 minus 3 times 4 plus 2 equals to y. So, modulus negative 7 plus 2 equals to y. Like all know, apa-apa nilai negatif yang berada pada modulus, dia akan jadi positif. So, technically, 7 plus 2 equals to y. So, y is 9. So, when x is 4, the value of y is 9. So, disebabkan graf ni, dia akan jadi bentuk V sebab wujudnya modulus, kita perlu cari lagi satu titik untuk kita dapatkan bentuk V. So, macam mana kita nak cari titik lagi satu? Kita perlu cari titik lagi satu, kita buat y is equal to 0. So, kita ambil equation tadi, which is 5 minus 3x, kita buat equals to 0. Dekat sini, kita tak perlu tambah 2 lagi. Nanti saya cerita kenapa tak perlu tambah 2. So, bila y is equal to 0, the value of x is 5 over 3. Okay, sekarang ni. Kita dah tahu. Okay, sekarang ni, disebabkan soalan, dia buat modulus tambah 2 is equals to y. So, pada graf nanti, kita punya x-intercept, kita punya graf, akan bergerak 2 unit ke atas. Dia akan jadi macam ni. So, dia akan bermula pada 2. So, kita plot lah. Bila x is 0, the value of y is 7. Lepas tu kita plot kalau 4, the value of y is 9. And then kita plot 5 over 3. So, bila kita plot, kita akan dapat graf bentuk V macam ni. So, untuk cari the range, dia ada 2 cara. Satu jalan kira, lagi satu kita determine through this graph. So, cara nak determine, kita buat tarik-tarik macam tu. Tapi kita perlu tahu juga cara nak buat dengan jalan kira.
Okay, now I will show you how to solve the questions. For the first question, find the range of values of x for which y is less than equals to 4. So, it will be like this. The absolute value of 5 minus 3x plus 2 is less than equals to 4. First, we must isolate the absolute value. So, I move 2 to the right side first. Then I will get the absolute value of 5 minus 3x is less than equals to 2. Then to solve this, we are going to set up two different inequalities. For the first one, I will just drop the absolute value sign and rewrite the inequality as 5 minus 3x is less than equals to 2. And for the second one, we are going to change the sign on the inequality symbol as well as change sign on that value. So it will be 5 minus 3s is greater and equals to negative 2. And then we'll just solve it like usual. 5 minus 3s is less and equals to 2. Negative 3s is less and equals to negative 3. And s is greater and equals to 1. For the second one, 5 minus 3s is greater and equals to negative 2. Negative 3s is greater and equals to negative 7. And s is less and equals to 7 over 3. So for the answer, we will just write it like this. S is greater and equals to 1 and s is less and equals to 7 over 3. Now, let's move on to the second question. Find the range of values of x for which y is less and equals to 3. So, it is just same like question 1. The absolute value of 5 minus 3x plus 2 is less and equals to 3. So, I will move 2 to the right side and it will be the absolute value of 5 minus 3x is less and equals to 1. So, we will set up two different inequalities. For the first one, 5 minus 3s is less and equals to 1. Negative 3s is less and equals to negative 4 and s is greater and equals to 4 over 3. For the second one, 5 minus 3s is greater and equals to negative 1. Negative 3s is greater and equals to negative 6 and s is less and equals to 2. So, we will write the answer like this. S is greater and equals to 4 over 3 and s is less and equals to 2. So, that's all. Thank you. Bye.